Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is sometimes there are little things called mullions inside of those windows. So I'm going to take a piece of paper that's that same size as the window. I'm going to kind of measure it. So it should be half of it, so I'm going to cut this in half. So that should be that by that. This one's a little bit longer. Okay, kind of made it into a square. Alright, make it the same size as those windows. And then what I can do is I can start to kind of cut little teeny strips. And these little strips are going to become those mullions inside of the window. So I'm going to keep going all the way across, cutting them up, and then I'm going to scoot them off to the side. And then this is going to be the only time that we ever tell you to glue first, and then, so I'm going to glue first. And you can try to do a tic-tac-toe board. So I'm going to go like this, take this with my fingers, and I'm going to stick them on the position where I want them. And don't worry if you can see glue, it's totally okay. Make sure it's all stuck down. Because when the glue will dry. So I'm going to have it go up and down like this. And I'm actually going to have it go across. So let me finish doing this and then I'll show you how to do the next step. Okay, so now we're going to go across, so I'm going to measure them like that and cut those skinny strips again. This is instead of drawing them, because everything on a collage needs to be cut out of paper. You should not be able to see any pencil marks. It's okay to draw things before you cut them, but it's not okay to draw something. And then again, I'm going to go across, doing a thin line of glue, do it up here. There we go. Take this, put it on there, kind of use my fingernail to get it down. Hold it, put it down, and I'll keep going across my whole picture and do this. So that is our next step. We can also use a hole puncher to make a doorknob. So you guys are pros at using hole punchies. And then I'm going to take a piece of paper, and I'm just going to do one punch. And then if it has a little cover like this, open up the cover. And if you can't get it out, it's okay. There's a lot more in there than I thought. Oops. Fix that. Make sure you don't leave trash in there for someone else to find. So I'll push those over. Alright. And if that happens to you, make sure you sweep these and put them in the trash can. And then you can just put a little dot of glue where your doorknob's going to go. And put that right there. Push that down. So this is what we're doing right now. If you guys have any questions, as always, let us know.